Festive season is the time when most of the Indians shop, especially smartphones. And I've also made a video on the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale where I've recommended a few smartphones which is on deal during the sale. And this video is going to be similar like that, but we are going to take a look at the deals during the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale, which starts at 23rd of September. Now, keep in mind that I'm going to recommend smartphones in different price categories, and I'm not going to take a deep dive on each and every smartphone specs. And also, I'm only going to say the discounted pricing of each and every smartphone. So sit back, relax, and take a look at all the smartphone deals and decide whether you need to buy any smartphone during the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. Alright, so the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale starts on 23rd of September. Now, if you are a Prime member, then you can get an early access on 22nd of September itself. Now, let's take a look at smartphones under 20,000 rupees. The first one is going to be, of course, the Redmi K50i, which comes in with Dimensity 8100, one of the greatest chipset that you can bet on productivity and gaming. It has a super cool display with 144Hz refresh rate and a full HD plus resolution. Although it's going to be an IPS LCD panel, it is going to be great. The viewing angles and all the colors and everything will be great. I bet on that. And not only that, it also comes with a great set of cameras, and the design is pretty good for people who are not very too much about the design aspect. Now, the smartphone during the sale will be sold for around 19,999, which is a great price for this smartphone, which includes discounts up to 4,000 rupees if you use SBI debit cards. Keep in mind that when I say discounted price, you'll be like, dude, I don't have the card. Now, you buy smartphones once in 2 or 3 years, right? Now, it'll be good if you take an extra step by asking the suitable cards from your friends or family mates so that you can grab the particular product at amazing prices. By the way, the reason I'm saying the discounted pricing of each and every product is because you upgrade smartphones once in 2 or 3 years. So take an extra step or an extra effort to get the suitable cards from your friends or family to grab the product for the lowest price possible. Anyways, the next smartphone is from iQOO, the iQOO Z6 Pro, which is powered by Snapdragon 778G. It's a great processor, although it is not that great when you compare it with the Redmi K50i, but still, it holds up. What else does it have? It has a 90Hz AMOLED panel for AMOLED lovers, and it also has a 66 watts fast charging support. It is priced at 17,990, which includes offers up to 3,000 rupees by using an SBI debit or credit card. Now, keep in mind that this is a great smartphone and you can bet your money on because it has the 770G, which is a good processor for day-to-day usage. Now, if you're too worried about the software, then don't worry. I have a recommendation from Samsung, which is a Samsung Galaxy M53. Now, I do agree that the M52 is still better, but you know what? The latest software comes in the M53, so buy that. The M53 is powered by the Dimensity 900 chipset, which is still great. You get a full HD plus Super AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate panel, and it also has an 108 megapixel camera setup on the back. Really good images compared to the other recommendations that I've made. So if you are concerned about the software and the camera aspect, there you go, the M53 is for you. You can grab this smartphone for as low as 19,999, which includes discounts up to rupees 2,000 by using SBI debit or credit cards. This is a great smartphone for people who are concerned about the software and camera aspect, the Galaxy M53 for you. Now let's move on to smartphones under 30,000 rupees, my favorite segment. And here we have 3 recommendations. One is from iQOO, one is from Xiaomi, and another one is from OnePlus. Now the first smartphone is from iQOO, the iQOO 9 SE. This smartphone comes in with Snapdragon 888. Now I know people in the comments will be like, hey, this is a processor with thermal throttles. Now, do you actually use your smartphone to its fullest potential to the limit that it thermal throttles and starts heating up? No, right? We don't do that. Let me know that in the comment section below. So yes, the iQOO 9 SE is a great smartphone with the Snapdragon 888, great set of cameras, 66 watts of fast charging, and all the flagship features that you can expect on a flagship killer smartphone. So this smartphone is going to be priced at 29,990, including the discounts and offers, which is a great price for a smartphone like this with this kind of specs. Oh, I also forgot to mention that it has a beautiful AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate panel, which is great for content consumption. So what are you waiting for? The iQOO 9 SE for 29,990 is a great deal to grab. So the next smartphone is from Xiaomi, which is the Mi 11T Pro, which also comes with the same Snapdragon 888, which comes with a 120Hz AMOLED panel, great for media and consumption, which comes with 120 watts of fast charging, which is insane when compared to the 66 watts which you can get on the iQOO 9 SE. And not only that, it also comes with a great set of cameras, 108 megapixel primary camera setup on the back. And not only that, it also has 13 5G bands. So if you're concerned about your 5G coverage, this is a smartphone that you can bet on. So you can grab this smartphone for as low as 28,999, which is a great price when compared to the iQOO 9 SE. And my personal recommendation would be grabbing the Mi 11T Pro when compared to the iQOO 9 SE, because I believe that Xiaomi provides better software updates and all those stuff. So yeah, this is a great smartphone indeed. So the last smartphone is for the people who like clean software experience without any bloatware, and it is a phone from OnePlus, which is the OnePlus Nord 2T. Now I know the OnePlus Nord 2 is still better than the 2T, but I recommended the 2T just because it has latest software on it. Now the OnePlus Nord 2T is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1300, which is still a great processor, a 90Hz AMOLED panel, good for media consumption, and also comes with 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor, which is great for photographs. So this smartphone can be grabbed for 26,499, which is a great price for people who are concerned about cameras, softwares overall. So yeah, the OnePlus Nord 2T for you guys. So now let's move on to smartphones under 40,000 rupees, and here we have two recommendations, one from iQOO and another one from OnePlus. So the first one is iQOO 9, which is a bump up in terms of specs when you compare it with the iQOO 9 SE, where this smartphone comes with a Snapdragon 888 Plus, an upgraded version of the Snapdragon 888, which has 10 to 15% of better performance. And not only that, the charging speed also differs from the iQOO 9 SE, and here we have 120 watts of fast charging, which is really great. But apart from that, all the other spec is pretty similar to the iQOO 9 SE. Now this smartphone can be grabbed for 39,990, which is a great deal for a smartphone like this with this kind of specs. So this price is including all the discounts and offers, so keep that in your mind. It is a great smartphone, the iQOO 9. So the next smartphone is from OnePlus, the OnePlus 10R, which is also a great smartphone because it is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max, a spec bumped processor when you compare it with the K50i's 8100. And not only that, this also comes with a 120Hz AMOLED panel, which is great for media consumption. Also comes with cameras that is similar to the OnePlus Nord 2T and has 80 watts of fast charging support. Now this smartphone is not for sale and usually sold for 34,990, but during the sale we can expect 1,000 or 2,000 rupee discount on this particular smartphone, which still makes it a great smartphone to grab under 40,000 rupees. So now let's move on to the iPhone deals during the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. So the first one will be the iPhone 12, which you can grab it for as low as 40,000 rupees. Now we don't know the exact pricing, but from what I'm able to see, it is going to be priced under 40,000 rupees. It is mostly going to be 39,990. And apart from that, if you ask me, well, the iPhone 13 is also going to be on sale on Amazon, but I don't think so it will be priced competitively like what it is being priced on Flipkart. But the main focus on Amazon will be the iPhone 12 for now, which is going to be sold under 40,000 rupees. Apart from that, we are also going to see the iPhone 11s and iPhone 13s, but we don't know the exact pricing on what is Amazon is deciding it to be priced. So there you have it. These are all the smartphone recommendations that you can buy during the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale, and let me know your favorite phone in the comment section below. And also don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with all of your friends. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Arena, which is really important, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications so that whenever I post any new video, that will come onto your feed. This is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.